Hello, good people. Welcome to my channel, guys. You are welcome. You are welcome. It's your boy, Sunny Media. This is another morning. Sunny, today's date is what? Today is 8th.
Yes.
Okay. So today is Friday, guys. 8th of December, Friday. Yeah. Good morning or good afternoon, good evening, depending on the country you're watching, your time zone. So this morning we are going to the farmland of Sunny Channel. Sunny, which place are we going to this farm now? Where?
We are going to Liby.
Liby?
Yeah, that's where my farm is.
Okay, Liby, right?
Yeah.
So, how many kilometers from here today?
About 20-25 like this.
20-25?
Yes.
Kilometers?
Yes.
And we'll be using motorbike?
Yes.
Hey! And we'll be also going with our brother here.
Remember
brother, what is your name? Sadiq.
Yeah.
He's a footballer. He has played in so many countries. I don't know, you that watches football, have you been seeing him on?
Oh.
So, what are we going along with?
We are going to give this energy drink to.
We are going there with the drinks.
Yeah. I'm going to give it to someone.
Okay. See Sunny Channel. Guys, subscribe. You are covering your.
You have to.
Shy.
You need a mask. No, we have to go. You need a mask. Let me give you a mask. Yes.
Okay. Maybe because you have known the condition of the place, that's why you are talking about masks. Yeah, see the way he's also dressing because of we are going to the farm, guys. They also asked me if I have jacket. Why do you talk about jacket?
Maybe sometimes the place is cold, you know.
Okay, because of the cold.
You are going to ride it on a bike, so sometimes cold and a little dusty. You are in the Hamatan.
Okay.
Here it's a little dusty. Even though it's just the beginning, but
okay.
a little dusty.
Dusty.
I have my jacket here.
There is your own jacket.
Yes.
Wow, this one is my nose mask.
That's cool, dude.
That's good.
Yeah.
So me that is not wearing jacket, that means I will hear pepper. I will hear pepper today. Maybe let me have experience of not wearing jacket and see how it is. Maybe another time we'll be going there, then I will cry for you to get me one jacket. Let's go, guys, and see how it is.
We are leaving the place.
We are leaving now. We are leaving from the compound, guys. So
Yes. Main road here.
this is it. We are all going.
Wow. Look at what is coming.
We are going to the farm. How big is the farm?
Oh, very big.
Are there many other people farming there too?
Yeah, my brothers.
Okay. Like I mean, other people that owns their own farms over there.
Yeah, there are many.
There are many people, right?
Yeah.
So guys, we are moving to the farm. This is the Tamale road. Very good road. We are using motorbike going to a far place, 25 kilometers with motorbike.
You see many people will be going to farm. Especially this road is farming road. You see this one maybe going to farm.
She's going to farm too.
They are going to farm.
That woman.
Yeah, and then they are going to farm. You will see them many on the road.
Wow.
So guys, so we came to this village. It's called Fu. Yes, Fu. So it's a calm village. So the people are well cultured. Yes, so we came to this place to rest our bikes. Yes, our motorbikes, and we ourselves to rest for us to continue. The next village may be the farm. So this is something they used to prepare that food I ate. Yes, that local food I ate the other time. Wasawase or something. Yes, so back of yam. Yeah, some people were trying to say it's not back of yam, but it's back of yam. So this is a village. So we continue our journey, guys. Let's keep going because the village is the next village is the village we are going for the farming. Yeah, for the harvesting of the rice. Yeah, so let's go, guys.
Order from that. The sticker to be ordered from different people. The library.
Okay. Which village is this? Where is this now?
This is Liby.
Okay.
This is where we arrived. This is the village that we are farming. So we come here. This is where our house we will live in.
Okay.
And then we will go into the farm.
So we now walk from. And you even park your bike here? Or?
Yeah. No, no, this one we will not park our bike there. Okay. So we'll just go and greet the people. You know, when you come to the where you are farming, when you come, you need to see the people that you've came to your farm.
Oh, okay.
So we are aware of you and
okay. So we're now close to the farm. So let's enter inside now. Greet the people. Then we'll go to the farm, guys. This is a village to the farm. Nice one. My brother too is here. Are you tired?
I'm a little tired. Yeah.
Tired?
Yeah, a little, not that much.
You see, I didn't feel cold because I was at the back. I was at the back, so I was. Yeah, the sun has started coming out. Oh my God, see the stream. We came to this village. Oh my God, just take a look, guys. See the stream. We are going to the farm. Guys, I love this place.
Yeah, it's only in the northern areas you will see these trees. Yes, these trees are chestnut trees. Yes, chestnut. You used to produce shea butter. You know shea butter, right? Yes, you can use it for pomade. Chestnut trees. That is what we are looking at it now.
You have harvested this one?
No, not yet harvested.
Okay, not yet harvested.
This one has been cut. So we are cutting them. You see the guys that are cutting them. Maybe now they are resting. Nibu. So now they cut them down. That's how. That's true.
So guys, here we are. So who owns this bike here?
The workers.
Ah,
Those who are working.
okay. Because of the
This one, there's one of my brother. His own is over there, so he packed this one. But the workers packed this. Yeah. So this one is 10 acres.
10 acres.
Yes. So
They have not harvested.
yeah, it has been cut down. You see?
Okay, these are the rice.
Yeah, these are the rice. We gather it like this. We cut it down like this, and then we gather it.
Okay. You see the rice. Wow. That is how. You see you. You see you.
You see how it falls down.
You see all the rice you have been eating. This is how they process it from the scratch. You'll be enjoying. You see you.
And then
Okay, they just did the cutting. Later they will now start packing them and
pack them. We'll go to the where they have started packing them. So we'll go there right now.
Okay. Wow. This is the harvest time, harvesting of the rice. You see the way they are harvesting it. They will cut it. You see, these are the rice. They will cut it. Later they will come and pack them. Nice one.
Let's go and show them how they do it. The thatch houses. This is what they used to roof it.
All these things.
Yeah, all this wheat we use for the thatch house.
Oh, I see.
We gather it and it makes dry. Then we use it on the roof.
I see.
You see this tree?
Which tree?
This one, the one that we are just facing.
Which one?
This particular tree.
Yeah.
The seeds are very, very important, and it is medicinal too.
It's medicinal.
Very, very medicinal.
This particular seed.
They are this.
Is it the seed or the leaves?
The seeds.
The seed is
Wow.
This, let me come.
especially if you have a stomach upset.
Thank you. Stomach absent, and also cleanse stomach and toxicologist or what's the name?
So can one plug it?
You can plug it, but
You plug it. Let it. Well, if it's dry, it falls down. Look at it on the ground. You see the seedling, and then you remove it.
And then it's
You eat it.
you don't eat. You just put it in your mouth and then it has a seed in it.
Yeah.
It's very hard.
You can get it inside a jar and put water on
For
it.
myself, I'll take plenty food. I'll take.
That is very, very medicinal. Yeah, this one.
Then when we are coming back,
Just in your body, it will remove everything out.
like it will make you
Going free toilet and all this one.
What?
And it is like
They should be plugging it and be selling it in the
they
market.
sell it. They sell it.
They plug it.
They sell it.
But it's not
But
costly. Here it's just like once.
it's in the bush here. We come in. Very, very good.
Let me test one and see.
Oh, you test one.
Is it
It's like
is it sweet or
it's like
bitter?
sweet and bitter. It has it and sweet. It's little sweet and bitter. Like it's like a mix. For example, after to know this one is not nice. And the shell killers.
When I plug the one up,
Take this one.
okay.
No, it has to fall down.
It has to fall down first. You can't plug it.
We don't plug it.
It's dry.
If it dry, it will fall down.
It will fall down.
So that you pick
Fall
it.
down when it's dry.
Wow.
You can't eat it without being dry.
Like this one. Is it the inside we eat or the back?
No, you remove the
Let me see how you remove it.
just press it.
Okay.
Well, no, this one is fresh one. It never dries, but you can take it. I'll get dry one for you.
Doesn't have somehow.
You see how it is?
It doesn't like a human vagina.
No, it's not yet. Your own has not. It's like it's not dry. It's not that dry. Yeah. I'm looking for a dry one. So that maybe the guys have picked. Those my workers have picked. Pedro. Kaula. Lovely, man. Sorry, ani za shinkafa. Bekana bat tekati enosha. Na wonu bor shamba.
Who need this seed? Let me know in the comment section. Do you need it? It's medicinal.
Very, very medicinal. Me too. I have it in the house. When you look at my kitchen, it is there. Yeah. I used to organize it a lot. Take this one. This one is okay.
This one is the dry one.
Yeah, this one is dry one. But don't say it. It tastes like more. No.
Then it gets market to natural woman.
There are another 10 acres here.
Different one, 10%.
Guys, I love this experience. So working in the farm like this, bushes like this, seeing a lot of things. It's a nice experience, guys. Wow.
I used to send this one to London.
You used to send it from here to London?
From that to London.
All the seeds?
Yes.
Like seriously?
I'm very serious.
My London people.
When we go home, you see it on the bucket. It is even spoiled last year.
Wow. Nice one, nice one, nice one.